Hello friends, welcome to CAD Camp. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a single-line plan for a house. Suppose you got a plan from the internet, and you want to redesign the plan to customize it or change its planning as you want. As you can see, we have just 2 dimensions in the JPEG file. We want to know the dimensions of our bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen, either each part of the drawing, so that we can redraw our plan. So let us start it. Open the AutoCAD program. We will start a new project. Just drag and drop the JPEG file into the AutoCAD and put it in place. Set up the drawing units. As we know, the first dimension of the plot will be 25 feet. So let us draw a 25 feet line here. As we can see, the file we imported is much smaller than the actual scale. So let's make it larger. Now the image size is larger than the actual scale. Now we just trace a line on that side of the plan, which is 25 feet. Now we have 2 lines. First, do some dimension settings. Now we need a downscale value to scale down our image to its actual scale. Our actual dimension is 300 centimeters, and our image dimension is 488. We will use a calculator to find the downscale value. To get the downscale value, just type 300 divided by 488.9. Now get the scale command and select the image. Give a starting point, and now type the downscale value. And press the Enter button. And boom! Our image is now at the actual scale. Let us recheck it. We'll just do some dimension scale settings for the architecture type. Change this dimension into an architectural type. As you can see, we've got an actual dimension. Now we can know the dimension of every part of our plan to redraw or redesign it. Now we have traced all the dimensions that we needed. Let us draw our plan. Let us draw a room. Room size will be 12 feet by 13 feet. Now we get a bathroom beside the bed. The bathroom will be 6 feet wide. Also a dressing room. One more bed of the same size. Also a dress and a bathroom. Now draw a complete shape of the plot. We have an open area here. Size is approximately 5 feet by 12 feet. Now draw a kitchen. The kitchen will be 10 feet wide. Our stair ends at this corner. Now we can start our stair. The width will be 3.5 feet. Step size will be 10 inches. We use the offset command here. Now the stair is ready. Now draw an arrow for the stair like that. We can also change its direction by mirror command. Now we need some door openings. Draw a 9-inch line and place it like that. Now give a door offset and trim the middle line. Use the same method to create all door openings. We can also mirror this door for the second bedroom. Every door size will be different, as per your requirements. We can also copy the door lines if their direction is the same. We can label every part of the drawing, like bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and so on. Now we can check plot size by the dimension command. Now we have created the same design in AutoCAD. We can change the size and location of rooms and doors as we want. In the next tutorial, we will create a detailed plan for a house.